This is something that I had trouble with myself during my developmental years because there was no one. I want you to understand that back in the early 1980s, there were no communities, there were no trading groups, there was no internet, there were no mentors, there were no teachers, there was no one. You were completely all alone. You were left to your own devices, left to just your account and the darkness. There was no one to try to correct you. There was no one to go seek advice from. You either got a job at a major firm and they only hired from Ivy League colleges in the United States, or you had nothing. And so I struggled with this lack of support, this black hole, and it really was the cause for a lot of depression on my part during the first 6 years of my development. And this is one of the driving reasons why I put a lot of work, effort, and actually resources into building a community of traders for this reason. Now, I will give you some things that helped me kind of keep going and making it through despite really, really bad times. During my darkest periods, I would try to remind myself that one day I will be telling stories about this. One day I will be talking to baby traders and explaining to them about how their losses are necessary. That one day this is going to actually serve me well, my losing period. I try to remind myself that losing is necessary, that you can't become a master without losing, and that all the great traders were losers, all of them, big losers, terrible losers. And I kept trying to remind myself, I'll be honest with you, it doesn't always work, but it did help a little bit. It helped to try to project myself into the future and look back at when I was a loser, even though I was a loser at the moment, but to project myself in the future mentally and to imagine me talking to other traders. Imagine other traders wanting to know how I made it. And these little mental tricks, if you were, they helped me survive. They helped me keep going. And they helped me at times to embrace the dark periods that I was in, knowing that it's building day by day my upcoming future. The last thing I will say on this topic, well, the last two things, reading about the histories of other traders, I think is very helpful. Knowing my history is helpful. Knowing how, I slept on the couches of friends. It was better for me to leave my home where my parents were because the pressure on me to not trade was so intense. So I left to live amongst friends. And so knowing that history, I think, helps. Also knowing the histories of other traders, like Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, was a huge motivator for me. I read it multiple times a year, every single year. And that was a motivator for me as well. The last thing is that you always have me. You always have me. You can always write me a note. All right. It might take a while for me to get to it. That's unfortunate, but you can always contact me. You can always write to me. You can always reach out to me.